Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can crossfade songs on Spotify. Super simple. You're just going to select your name up here and you're going to select settings. You're going to scroll down until you find playback. You're going to enable crossfade songs, and here you can adjust the fade of the songs, like how long you want the fade to be. I have mine set on the normal one, which is 5 seconds, and I think it really adds to like when you're playing a music and it plays the next one, it fades into that song, especially if the songs are fairly similar. I like it when this song fades into the song Money So Big and to the song Kawaii. But yeah, that is basically how you can crossfade songs. You don't have to save it or anything. It's just going to be saved. As you can see, just close it and go back to your songs, and you can then listen to your songs with the crossfade setting on. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!